welcome to my channel. This is Daisy. I hope you're all well. I've come to you with another vegetarian recipe. So today I'm going to cook green banana curry. I went to London the other day and I came across these green bananas. You're all aware of the ripe ones, which is available everywhere in the market, but the green ones are quite rare to find. This is very popular in South Indian cuisine. People use these green bananas to cook in different ways. So today I was thinking of making a curry. Because they are extremely rare to get, they're quite exotic to this part of the world. So today what we're going to do is boil these bananas, green bananas, and then grate it and then cook it in a curry sauce. So without any delay, let's get to it. It's all about these bananas, so you need to get the green ones. When you're choosing to buy, you should be going for those ones that are looking quite green, because if they're turning yellow, that means they're starting to get ripen inside, which is not a very good thing. This is quite green, so it's raw banana. So we've got 10 of these, and then what we'll need, obviously, oil, 1 big onion sliced already, mustard. I've already grinded this and it's powdered, 2 tablespoons, 1 tablespoon of grounded cumin powder, got salt, red chili powder, half a tablespoon, and 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. I've got spring onions, chopped, coriander leaves, ginger and garlic grated. I've got few meti seeds here, mustard seeds, and cumin seeds. These I will use to fry in the oil before I put the onions in. Slit green chilies. These are not very hot, so I've taken about 4 here, but you can just use 1 or 2. Chopped tomatoes. It's only 1 tomato here, and curry leaves. So these are your ingredients. First we'll start with the green bananas. What we're going to do is cut the top and the bottom, slit it in the middle, and then put it in water to boil. That will take about 20 minutes. Right, so I've got about 10 green bananas here. Like I was saying, you should be careful when you buy, because if they're turning a bit yellow, that's not good because it will be sweet. So what I've done here, I've cut the top bit and the bottom bit, and all I have to do is just slit it here in the middle. So when it's boiled, it's easy to just peel the skin off. Usually when they are fresh, you cut them, there's like a milky liquid that comes out here. If it gets in your clothes, it can stain your clothes. I've just washed it and filled the pot with water, just about covering the bananas in there. Earlier today, I discussed this dish with my sisters. I do that usually to get the best version of that dish, to get the best recipe basically. Little things that vary. Well, one of them said use ginger and the other one said don't use ginger. I'm just going to put a small amount, just because my elder sister said she does, so I'm just going to put a little bit of it. See, it's lovely when you have elder sisters, you can run to them when you're not sure about something. Okay, so it's been about 20 minutes. Banana seems to be ready. How do you know it? Just poke it and it goes through without any problem. So I'm just going to drain this in the blender. This is really hot, so we'll just have to be careful. If you need to wait a bit more to let it cool down, that will be better. So we'll just leave it to cool down for a few minutes. Okay, so it's cooled down a little bit. Still got the steam coming out of it. Just lift the peel from it. That's the slit, and you just peel it from here. So you can't overboil these because it will be too soft and it will be really hard to grate. So it has to be soft enough to grate. Hard enough to grate, not too soft. There you go, these are the peels going in the compost. These are the peeled bananas. I'm just going to wait for them to cool down. When they cool down, they also harden a bit, so it's easier to grate. So I'll just give them a few minutes to cool down. The bananas are cool enough, so we can grate them now. As I said, when it's just boiled, it's a bit soft, so now it has hardened a little bit. So what we do is just take a tray. This is a grate I'm going to use. I am going to use a non-stick pan because when these bananas are grated, they will tend to stick at the bottom of the pan, so a non-stick pan is best to be used. We'll just pop these in. So we've got the cumin, the mustard and the methi seeds. It's all whole spices. Put it all in. Onions. Okay, the onions are ready. We'll just add the curry leaves. We'll just put the chilies. Ginger and garlic. Add the turmeric. So that was one tablespoon. This is mustard powder, cumin powder, jeera powder, whatever you call it, 1 tablespoon. Half a tablespoon of chili powder. Put it all together. Oh my god, look at the colours. Oh god, it smells so nice. Lovely. I'm just going to add tomatoes to this because the tomatoes need to cook. So that is 1 tomato chopped. I'm going to add some water just to make sure everything mixed together and the tomato cooks. So I'll just let this cook and dry up a bit. I wish you could smell this right now. Beautiful. We'll let it cook till the tomatoes are soft. Oh my god, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? So I'm just going to add some salt to this. Just sort of, I'm using half a tablespoon here because there's quite a lot of bananas. If you mix the salt in the gravy, it's easier for it to mix with the banana water. Yeah, the tomatoes are soft. We'll now add the banana, just go in little by little. So you have to mix it really well. You could put it on dim flame so it doesn't get burned underneath while you're mixing all the spices with the banana. Because you have to remember the salt is in the gravy, so if you don't mix it, the salt won't get to the banana. And then let it cook for a few minutes more, not too much, because remember the banana is already cooked. If you leave it to cook for too long, it'll just go soggy. There you are. I think we're nearly done. Add to it chopped spring onions and the coriander. I think we can switch off the flame now. The grated banana curry is ready. Oh God, it smells so nice. I really want to taste this. Oh my God, this reminds me of home. This was really nice. You must try it. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so now to watch more videos. So I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.